Now let's talk about what powers our EC2 instances, which is an AMI. So AMI stands for Amazon Machine Image, and they represent a customization of an EC2 instance. So you can use AMIs created by AWS, or you can customize it into your own. And what is in an AMI? Well, we have our own software configuration. We can define and set up the operating system. We can set up any monitoring tool. And if we create our own AMI, we're going to get a faster boot time and configuration time because all the software that we want to install onto our EC2 instance is going to be pre-packaged through the AMI. So we have to build our own AMIs, and they can be built for a specific region, and then they can be copied across region if we wanted to use it and leverage the AWS global infrastructure. So we can launch EC2 instances from different kind of AMIs. What we've been doing so far in this course is to use a public AMI, and these are provided by AWS. So the Amazon Linux 2 AMI is a very popular AMI for AWS, and it was provided by AWS themselves. But we can create our own AMI, then therefore you have to make and maintain them yourself. There are tools obviously to automate this, but this is a task that you have to do as a cloud user. Or finally, you can launch an EC2 instance from an AWS Marketplace AMI, which is an AMI that has been made by someone else and potentially sold by someone else. So it is quite common to have vendors on AWS to create their own AMIs with their own software, with a nice configuration and so on. And then they will sell it through the Marketplace AMI for you to buy it and to save some time. And even you, as a user, you could create a business of selling AMIs on the AWS Marketplace. This is something that some businesses do. Okay, so the AMI process from an EC2 instance, how does it work? Well, we'll start an EC2 instance and we'll customize it. Then we will stop the instance to make sure the data integrity is correct. Then we can build an AMI from it. So this will also create EBS snapshots behind the scenes. And then finally, we can launch instances from other AMIs. So this is what we'll be doing in the demo in the next lecture. So we have US East 1A, and we can create the same instance as US East 1B. So the process is we launch the instance in US East 1A. We're going to customize it. Then we're going to create an AMI from it. This will be our custom AMI. And then in US East 1B, we will be able to launch from that AMI and we'll effectively create a copy of our EC2 instance. So I hope you're excited, and I will see you in the next lecture.